huge.
The rock
Yeah, but now look over there and talking now.
is even bigger.
Yeah, this is even bigger.
Good morning. We're here in Shepozon. We have breakfast. Do you want me to?
Hey, luckily I put my feet on the floor so I can stop it.
Are you okay?
Hey, I got. Hey.
Ito yung playground ng mga bata. Tapos ayun ang cafe. Be careful, Jack. Oh, the fountain is open now. Ayun, tapos may fountain sila doon.
I'm busy. Hey, don't you want to go to the fountain?
Yeah, you want to go to the fountain?
Hey, do you want to go to the fountain? I'm so busy.
Jack, can he understand you? Does he speak English too?
He speaks English.
Good.
When he come, he say hi to me. So he does.
Did you talk to him? So, ito yung fountain nila. Open na. Maganda yung area na to.
When I told my dad where to go to the house, I saw a black Dia. What is Dia? What is Dia? There is a black. What is it? I just tell me because I left your meal.
That's the signage of Shepozon. Mga ano lang to, 5 minutes away. Wala dun sa bahay namin. Iikot lang ako kay Don. Tapos doon ako lalabas. Ha?
Hibo-hibo. Ay, bibili ka ba?
Wala, ikot lang ako dito. Titingnan ko yung, bibidyo ko lang yung loob. Ito yung loob ng Shepozon. Ayan. This is the coffee shop. Tapos, dito yung bakery nila. And there's the bakery. You can buy bread. Tapos, pwede ka dito mag-coffee sa labas. Para mas relax yung yung ambience. Then there's another garden there. I like this place. So relaxing. First, Jack. Let's go. We're here at Misa. So dito nagtuturo yung anak ko. Pero since nakalib nga siya, may pinuntahan lang sila dito. Kaya habang nakapark sila, nagkuha ko ng video. Na ngayon, start ng summer classes, kaya marami ngayong sasakyan. Kasi ito school ng mga may pera. Kaya halos lahat ng mga nag-aaral dito nakakotse. Ayan Misa Summer School. Maganda sana dito, kaso dito sa Naypyidaw, kaso nga ang lalayo ng mga establishments. Pati hospital malayo. Hospitals, malls, kumpleto naman. May palengke, hospital, malls. Ang problema lang is ang lalayo ng pagitan nila. So, ayun yung compound ng school. Okay.